All right, welcome to the living room. This is the only remote you need for the TV. This does control the TV directly if you need to mess with any settings or inputs. But if you grab the blue remote and take it to the TV, you can aim it just about anywhere. It'll turn the TV on. That lower part will go away after a second or two, so don't worry about that. This is an Amazon Fire Cube, so just advance over to whatever streaming service you want. If you want to watch TV, Hulu Live is where you're going to want to go. Pop Hulu Live up, and you'll see the different profiles. You can create your own, or you can use one of ours. And this is just like cable. You're going to go up to the Live tab at the top, select Live, and you'll be able to watch just about any program you want, including ESPN. Just down, and you'll see all the channels. There you go. So you can go through and see whatever you want to watch on TV. If you have any problems with the TV, you need to reset anything. If it looks like it's frozen, again, it is a Fire Cube. The Fire Cube is right there. Unplugging and plugging it in should solve any problems. But there's your ESPN and all live TV. Same setup on the outside TV on the porch. All right, welcome to the back porch. You can see we've got a big table out here. That fan is controlled by pulling the actual string. These light switches and recessed lights are all inside. Help yourself to the grill. It's a gas grill. You push in to ignite. So you're just going to do this until you see it light. And once it's lit, it's good. There is a fan for the hood, so make sure you turn that on. This fridge is all for you. There's local beers, domestic beers, and water. I'll have it fully stocked for you. Help yourself to whatever you want inside there. And for now, the entertainment side. So help yourself out here. This is our outdoor living space. You can see plenty of chairs and cushions. The TV and sound bar work just like inside. You just grab the red remote, and just like the inside TV, you're going to aim it up there. It should turn everything on, including the sound bar. The volume controls and everything are right on this app. So just like inside, wait for the Samsung menu to go away. It's very short-lived. And then you can go to all the streaming services and turn the volume up or down based on this red remote only. Turn it off. If you want to use the ceiling fans or the lights, all the switches are over there. And then we have this switch if you want to be a little funky, have a good time. These are our LED lights which light up the crown molding. So help yourself to that. Help yourself to the hammock and then our fire pit out there. It is going to be chilly on Friday and Saturday night. There's plenty of wood there. There's another wood pile back there. Wood burning, so make yourself a fire, and I'm going to leave some lighters right there. Last but not least, this is the outdoor temperature at the house. Up on the roof, the forecast is below for the day. No need to check an app, and if you need to contact us, just send us a text or call either of our numbers.